Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to use data validation in Excel to allow only whole number in a cell. So let's start. So here you can see in A column, I enter here the few values 1, 9, 12, 17, 22. Now we want to apply a rule that allows only the whole numbers. To select the cells range, so I select here the range of cell. Okay. Now I just go to the data tab. In data tools, click on the data validation option. Just click on this drop down arrow and click on the data validation. And here you can see the one dialog box is open, data validation. In settings tab, in validation criteria, the first allow, just click on this drop down list and select the whole numbers. Okay. So here default set between the minimum value I just enter here 1 and maximum is 100. Okay. After that, just click on OK. And here you can set the error alert also. Just go to the third tab, error alert. And here you can set the message also, error alert. So I just enter here the some message. Okay. Error invalid entry. I just enter here invalid entry message. You can enter here anything. Okay. Okay. Entry. And click on OK. That's it. Now here you can see in this selected range, when you enter the different amount, suppose I mentioned the 1 to 100, right? Suppose I enter here 111, okay, 111 and press the enter key and see here the error showing invalid entries. Same for, okay, I just enter here the 0.56, okay, and press the enter key. See, same error here showing because it's less than the 1, okay. So here you can see the error showing, okay, as I mentioned, the error message invalid entry, okay. So in this data validation rule, I mentioned to 1 to hundreds, okay, range of numbers. So minimum 1 and maximum 100, okay. So 0.56 is less than 1, therefore is the error showing the invalid entry, okay. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.